This is our full support sport demiette. It comes in sizes 32 through 50 and fits sizes 26 through 54. The cups it fits best on are A, double A, B, C, all the way up as high as you can think. As you can see, there's a real strong shape to it, giving a lot more support around the strap area. It's got a deep scoop neckline, and then across the bottom is some soft elastic. There's actually no silicone around the gripper on the bottom of the sport demiette. This is the back of our full support sport demiette. As you can see, it has that strong racer back structure for added lift and support. And the straps are nice and wide, giving a great amount of structure there. This is the inside of the front of the full support sport demiette. As you can see, there's molded cups there so that keeps your girls separated in their own rooms, so to speak. There's an amazing strong fabric that goes all around the structure of the demiette to just give that full impact support all around. And then as you can see, the soft elastic that goes around the band and the soft stitching. This is the back of the inside of the full support sport demiette. You can see that racer back structure there. And then if you look close, you can see the crisscross full support paneling to really give back support and distribute the bust line weight so that you don't feel that heaviness as you're exercising.